Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you wonder how to subscribe, should I subscribe? Do Mr. Belle have some good videos? Yes, Mr. Belle do have some good videos out there. All different kind of foods and a nice way of cooking it in the Power XL. Today, if you're wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something easy in the Power XL. You know, the holidays coming up and everything. You're wondering what you're gonna cook, how I'm gonna cook it, what I'm gonna cook it in. Well, Mr. Belle got something here for you today. Today, that's all you have to do is pull up that Power XL. And start getting it ready. Today I'm gonna be doing a nice ham. Just to show you how to do it for the holiday. It's a small ham. It's a smoked ham. And the smoked ham is usually pre-cooked already, so you don't have to do much to it. Also, this ham right here comes with the juice in the package. So today, I'm going to be using nothing but this ham today with the juice in the pack. As you see, it's nice and small. It's just enough for us to eat it. We don't want to have too much left over. We don't want to throw none of it away because we overdoing it and everything. So we bought just enough for it to eat for the family. So we're going to cook this today. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be baking it in the Power XL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this Power XL on bake. Put it on bake. As you see, that light is flicking, bake. And I'm gonna press this temperature. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this temperature on 350. 350, I'm not gonna cook it too high. And then I'm gonna set the minutes for 35 minutes. Set it for 35 minutes. And I'm gonna press start. In the meantime, it's gonna be preheating. While it's preheating, I'm gonna get this together until it say add food. When it say add food, then I'll be putting it in. And I'm starting with a little minutes and everything, 35 minutes, cause it's already like pre-cooked and everything. And I'm gonna take it apart and put it in here. We're gonna see what this look like today. So I'm gonna just get this scissors and just cut it like this. And put these scissors to the side. As you see, the seasoning and everything is right in this bag right here. I will be putting this all over it and everything. And like they say, come with the juice and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut this too. As you see, it's nice and good. So I'm gonna cut this and let all this drain in the plate right here. And the reason why I got a little one, because you might have a small family and you say to yourself, why should I get a big ham? And that is exactly right. You don't need a big ham. Just get a nice small one. I'm gonna take it out. As you see, it's wrapped up in another plastic. This is my first time doing this right here. And you see, it's wrapped up in another plastic. So I'm just gonna take this and cut it and put it in this plate, and I'll be putting everything in it. So I'm gonna hold it up like this. Just like this. And I'm just gonna take my scissors. I don't want to waste none of this juice out because I'm going to put everything right over it. Just like this. And put it in. Then I'm going to pour the juice out in the plate and everything. And I'm going to just slide this ham out just like this. Just the way. Take it out and sit it in there like this. And sit it right there. Just like that. In the meantime, I'm gonna move all this out the way. and I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, you hear the beep saying it's time to enter food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise this top up like this. My hands is clean. I'm gonna sit this just a little close, and I'm gonna just take this nice ham like this, and I'm gonna just sit it in, just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this all over it, just like that. Pour it all over there, like that. And now what I'm gonna do, and see the leverage of it, I'm gonna sit the top down and let it cook. I'm gonna press start and let it cook. And this right here, come in the plastic bag, it's a little brown sugar. So I'll be putting this on a little bit later. In the meantime, all my first time viewers wonder what you're gonna be doing while it's cooking. Well, you're gonna be washing the dishes. You're not gonna leave it for your spouse. You're not gonna leave it for your kids. You're not gonna leave it for your roommate, or you're not gonna leave it for your friend. As this is cooking, wash the dishes. That way everyone could enjoy the food. Because they might not eat because they wonder who's gonna do the dishes. So if you do them, everybody enjoy the food, tell you how delicious it was. I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna take a peep at this, see how this coming out and everything. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. It's cooking good and everything. So I'm gonna let it cook a few more minutes, and I'm gonna put some of that juice on top of it and the brown sugar. I'm gonna put the top down, and I'm gonna just let it cook like that. So it's been 11 minutes. I'm gonna take this top up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a little of this juice over it. Just spread it all over like that. So that way this juice could get all in the part of it. Just like that. Put some in there. Just put that glaze over it like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just sprinkle just a little bit of this sugar on it that come in the pack with it, little brown sugar, so it be nice and sweet and everything. And I'm gonna put the top on it, put that top back down, and let it cook. And you might not use this whole pack, so I'm gonna just put a little on it at a time. It's just the glaze, the top of it, give it that little sweetness. Okay, I'm smelling, it's smelling good and everything. Oh yeah, as you see, it's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put just a little more of this juice over it and spread it over just like that. And yeah, put the juice on it like that and just let it. Yeah, that's looking good. This right here is gonna be delicious too. Put it, spread it all over like that. This right here is just about done, so I'm gonna be taking it out in a minute and put it on. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little more on it before I close it. Just a little more, just like that. Let it get all between that. Put the top on, and when I raise it up again, it's time to take it out. So as you see, I took it out. It's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this pan out and I'm gonna just pour just a little bit of this juice over it, so it just have a little bit of flavor. When I cut it, it's already cut, but just soak in like that. Just a little bit of it. And I'm gonna sit it to the side. Put Put that right there. I'm gonna put this top down. And as you see, this ham is looking nice and good and everything. I'm gonna just taste a little piece of it. It's cooked nice and good, it's brown, it's hot, I don't wanna burn myself. So I'm gonna taste a piece of it. It's nice and soft. It's good. It's delicious. As you see, it's looking nice and good. And this right here is the smoked ham. This is nice for the holiday and everything. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment in the box if you like it. And this right here is just a small ham if you want to have something nice and small for the holiday. Thank you for watching.